On January 6, 2021, a mob of rioters supporting United States President Donald Trump stormed the U.S. Capitol, breaching security and occupying parts of the building for several hours. The riots were incited by comments made by Trump and his allies at an earlier rally. The storming led to evacuations and lockdowns of the Capitol building, and it disrupted a joint session of Congress that had assembled to count the electoral votes and formalize Joe Biden's election victory. Following several months of false claims by Trump about voting fraud in the November 2020 election, thousands of his supporters gathered in Washington, D.C. on January 5 and 6 to protest the certified election results and demand that Vice President Mike Pence and Congress reject Biden's victory. On the morning of January 6, protesters assembled at the Save America rally on the Ellipse, where President Trump, Donald Trump Jr., Rudy Giuliani, and several members of Congress addressed the crowd. Trump encouraged his supporters to fight like hell to take back our country and to march towards the Capitol, while his lawyer Giuliani called for trial by combat. Trump's supporters subsequently stormed the Capitol building during the Electoral College vote count. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.